This is Kwik's Car Wash, Lansing, Michigan. I've never been through a Kwik car wash before, a mechanical type, but this car wash was highly recommended by a guy I met yesterday at a car show, and this is the first time my car will go through a mechanical type car wash. So one of the important things about car drying is actually that you should use damp towels or moist towels. So as I continue through the process, I'm still drying my car, getting all the water off it, and then afterwards it'll go into the detail and polishing area. So it's gone through the wash and the wax, and I'm actually really impressed so far on how this is Brian, who's going to be taking care of my car today. Okay, we're finished waxing, and now we're going to do final inspection. Trying again, doing the final wipe down.